You know the words. You understand the grammar. You can read this sentence easily. But when someone asks you a simple question in real life, your brain stops. Nothing comes out. This is not a memory problem. It is a system crash. Let us look at why. You have studied English for years. You know maybe 3,000 words, but your active speaking vocabulary is only 200 words. The rest are trapped. They exist in your memory, but they cannot reach your mouth. This is the knowing-using gap. Most teachers ignore it.
Memorizing vocabulary lists feels productive. Your brain gets a small reward every time you remember a word. But real conversations are not lists. Conversations are chaos. They have noise, pressure, and time limits. Memorization does not train your brain for chaos. It only trains your brain for quiet rooms.
Your brain has a hidden rule. When you speak your native language, you have almost no time limit. But when you speak English, your brain gives you exactly 3 seconds. If you do not produce words in 3 seconds, your brain shuts down the speaking system. 3 seconds is nothing. It is one deep breath. Translation kills those 3 seconds immediately. Most learners do this. Someone asks a question in English. You hear the words. Then you translate them into your language. Then you think of an answer in your language. Then you translate that answer into English. Then you finally speak. 4 steps, 4 delays. Each delay costs you 1 second. By the time you finish, the conversation has already moved on. Grammar rules are useful for writing, but speaking is not writing. When you focus on grammar during a conversation, your brain divides its attention. 50% goes to meaning, 50% goes to rules. This creates a bottleneck. The result? Slow, broken, unnatural speech. Native speakers break grammar rules all the time. You can too. You want to speak perfectly. This is the real virus. You wait until the sentence is 100% correct in your head. Then you say it. But 100% never arrives. Native speakers are comfortable with 70% correct. They fill the rest with gestures, sounds, and simple words. You are waiting for perfection that does not exist. Most learners try to solve the freeze by adding more vocabulary, more grammar, more practice. This is wrong. You need to reduce. Reduce translation. Reduce grammar checking. Reduce the need for perfection. A smaller, faster system beats a larger, slower system every time. Here is the rule. Simple English you use is better than perfect English you don't. Here is a fact. 20% of English words are used in 80% of daily conversations. You do not need 10 ways to say very good. You need 1 way. Focus on high-frequency words only. Learn them until they are automatic. Automatic means no thinking. Automatic means no translation. Automatic means your 3-second limit becomes enough. You must remove translation completely. How? Link English words directly to images, feelings, and actions. When you hear apple, do not think the word in your language. See a red fruit. Feel the crunch. When you hear run, feel your legs moving. This creates a direct path. English, meaning, no middleman. It feels slow at first. Then it becomes faster than translation. You do not need to answer immediately. Silence is allowed. But you must think inside English. Use simple placeholder words to buy time. Say, let me see, or that's interesting, or These words are free. They cost no translation time. They keep the conversation alive while your brain catches up. At the B1 level, something shifts. You stop translating most common phrases. You stop checking every grammar rule. Your active vocabulary becomes fast,
not large. You still make mistakes, but mistakes no longer stop you. You speak around unknown words. You describe instead of translate. This is not magic. This is your brain finally prioritizing speed over perfection.
Do not chase confidence. Chase small wins. Confidence appears automatically when you survive conversations. Every time you speak and the other person understands, your brain records a success. After 50 small successes, fear decreases. After 200, freezing becomes rare. Confidence is just the memory of past survival. You do not need 2 hours daily. You need 5 minutes of the right training. Every morning, speak out loud for 1 minute. Describe what you see. Use simple sentences. No grammar checking, no translation. Just speaking. Then, during conversations, focus only on surviving the next 3 seconds. Do not think about the whole conversation, just the next response. Small pieces, low pressure, high frequency.
Your brain does not freeze because you lack knowledge. It freezes because you use the wrong system. Translation is too slow. Perfectionism is a trap. Grammar checking kills timing. Reset the system. Remove the middleman. Accept 70% correct. Speak inside 3 seconds. When you stop treating English like a school subject, your brain finally starts using it like a language. That is the difference between knowing and speaking.